Okay,
Can
now
you
I can.
now?
Now I can. Now I
Hi
can.
guys.
Hi man. Hi. How are you? How are you?
All good, all good. How are you, man? Long time
Great.
no see.
Long time. It's been a
How have you
long
been?
time.
I know, dude.
So,
About
hey
3 months.
guys.
This is from
Hey
now.
guys, this is Sagar Veer. Today we are back with another new podcast, and today's guest is Ritik Datta, and he's the producer of Oblivion Studio. This was the first time I did open mic in Pune. Like, this is the first time I did
Yeah.
anything on stage. I have never gone on stage ever before your platform. So this was a big deal. And he's a musician, he's a writer और comedy producer तो मैंने बता ही दिया है. So how are you, man? First of all, how are you?
So long. See, I am a bachelor. मैं अकेला रहता हूँ. Okay. So
Okay.
it's just me and the dog. That's it. मेरे दोनों roommate they left already. I did not get a chance.
Okay.
So अभी फिलहाल तो for about since the time lockdown is there, जितना भी time हुआ है मैं अकेला ही हूँ. So
Right.
बस म्यूजिक बनाना था गोल फिलहाल तो बिकॉज जब सब चालू था तब वो हो नहीं पा रहा था
Right.
बट देन मेरा लैपटॉप भी लाइक मेरा चार्जर कुत्ते ने वापस चबा लिया दैट्स व्हाट माय
Okay.
डॉग इज फॉर वो सिर्फ नुकसान करने के लिए मेरी जिंदगी में आया
Right.
तो या दैट्स व्हाट भी नहीं हो पा रहा है सो या फूक रहा हूँ और क्या
Okay.
फूक रहा हूँ लिख रहा हूँ जो
So,
हो रहा है
like, अभी फिर से extend हो चुका है lockdown, like till 15th, it has been extended. So, do you
या
condone this? Ki it's better to be in lockdown. Do you support this decision to thali bajao and all? Is it really helping us or not? What do you think?
See, Tali Vijana and lockdown are like two different things.
Okay.
So, like, अभी लॉकडाउन को अपोज करना है इलॉजिकल बिकॉज अगर
Right.
लॉकडाउन है तो
Right.
है ना क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट खुद का काम में कैसा लात नहीं डालेगा गवर्नमेंट ऐसा सोच के काम
हाँ, right.
करेगा
खुद के मस्ती मत लो. Right.
या बिकॉज स्टॉपिंग एवरीथिंग एंड द बिजनेस इज डाउन जिसमें पहले इकोनॉमी का इतना लगा हुआ है
हाँ, right.
थैंक्स टू आर yours truly yeah so वही तो उसमें गवर्नमेंट कैन नॉट अफोर्ड इवन अ सिंगल डे जिसमें बिजनेस नहीं हो रहा है एंड आई टेल यू देन जो लोग डेली बेसिस पे कमाते हैं भले ही जितना भी 30-40 हजार भी कमाते हो लेकिन डेली बेसिस पे कमाते हैं
हाँ,
अभी
right.
ऐसे लोगों के घर में इट्स बिन 2.5 months 3 months
Months.
जीरो
There's
इनकम
none.
है
Mhm.
so that's like obviously उनको तो हिट बैठ ही रहा है मार्केट क्रैश हो रहा है
Right.
all of these things but then again वही गवर्नमेंट द पॉइंट इज कि गवर्नमेंट ये नहीं चाहे गवर्नमेंट वुड ऑलवेज ट्राई कि एटलीस्ट बिजनेस बना रहे एंड शिट लाइक दैट
Right.
बट इफ इवन दैट इज नॉट हैपनिंग विच मीन्स मामला बहुत सीरियस
Right. Right. Right.
विच मीन्स कि तुम राइट लेफ्ट का इसमें सवाल ही नहीं होता है दिस इज फॉर योर ओन सेफ्टी तो लॉकडाउन में रहना इज द सही थिंग
Hmm.
ताली बजाना इज लाइक अप टू यू वो
Up to
तुम्हारे
you.
पे तुम सपोर्ट करते हो आप सर को सपोर्ट करते हो तो आप करो नहीं करना तो यार मत करो अभी आपको कौन रोकेगा
But opening liquor shops, that's not a good thing. Like, why would you do that?
और
That I don't
इट
see
इज
any
यार
logic.
अभी नहीं इसमें लॉजिक इज की सी लिकर इज लाइक वन ऑफ दोज थिंग्स की उस पे तुम कोई भी रेट लगा दो ना ऊपर से
Right.
नो वन विल क्वेश्चन द गवर्नमेंट तू कोई और प्रोडक्ट ले ओके
Right.
एनीथिंग
Right.
बी इट एडिबल और एनीथिंग जो एसेंशियल्स अभी मिल रहे हैं तुम
Hmm.
एसेंशियल्स पे टैक्स लगाओगे तो पब्लिक पागल हो जाएगा बोले
Right.
क्यों क्यों बढ़ा रहे हो
क्यों बढ़ा रहे?
अल्कोहल एक ऐसा चीज है ना जिसपे इफ यू हैव टू पे दैट ऊपर वाला थिंग ना
Hmm.
you are privileged enough to do that you will do that
You will do it.
so that is like the only way to get the economy like at least एक jump start मिलेगा lockdown के बाद
Right. Right.
but then again maybe something like अभी मैं totally support भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ उसको because even you know the kind of videos that
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
are looking at
Looking at,
people just
yeah.
lying on the road and
Yeah.
so yeah ये नहीं होना चाहिए which is why maybe government ने कुछ बीच में का करना चाहिए कि at least limit the amount of alcohol one person is buying every day
Okay. Okay. There was
ऐसा
this
because we were
news
seeing the
that
boxes
okay. अच्छा पूरा नहीं इतना तो कोई भी नहीं देगा आई डोंट थिंक इतना सर्व भी हो रहा होगा लाइक पूरा बॉक्सेस बट देयर वाज दिस न्यूज
Maybe I
आई
saw
हर्ड
videos that कि people were running and all that.
Yeah.
Creates it.
Yeah. It was in
है ना?
Aurangabad. Yeah. It was in
तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You have to. अभी वो इतना दारू पिएगा तो वो हल्ला करेगा ही ना फालतू का.
So I was telling you that
वही.
कि there was this news
Yeah.
that Karnataka government started like one day they have opened liquor stores and there was a profit of 45 crores to them on that particular day. So that was really shaking that, okay, so you are going to do this now to support yourself. That you have no like है नहीं ना भगवान डरो भगवान से बेंचो थोड़ा
नहीं वो तो है. भारत अग्रवाल is भारत अग्रवाल is joined.
What a good flow. Folk. Folks.
Bharat Agarwal is the. I don't know what he has something to do with octopus. Orange octopus. I'm not sure what.
So, did you saw that issue of boys' locker room? And there's this
Yeah.
girl named Siddharth. So now, what feminists will say? What? Like, this is the biggest question there in my head.
See, मैं तुमको एक बात बताता हूँ about this thing. It has nothing to do with the concepts of feminism. इसमें gender को involve करने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी.
हाँ.
कॉलेज के 2-3 छूतिए बच्चे हैं, है ना? लड़के भी और लड़कियां भी, जो लोग एक दूसरे के मारने पे तुले for their own personal grudges. जिसको पूरा देश क्योंकि लॉकडाउन में काम नहीं है लोगों को फालतू को अटेंशन दे रहे हैं इस चीज को. ये चीज दोनों पार्टीज ने नोटिस की. दोनों पार्टीज ने अपने अपने गेम खेले टू गेट देयर अमाउंट ऑफ क्या बोलते हैं द पॉपुलैरिटी अमंग द यंगस्टर्स. लाइक तुमको फेमिनिज्म पे तो तुमको पता ही है कि कोई भी लड़की एक्सेंट में आके बात करेगी कलर्ड बालों के साथ और तुम कन्विंस हो जाओगे. इट इज दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग, यू हैव टू इंटेंट. ये बिल्कुल बीजेपी राइटिस्ट लेफ्टिस्ट इन सब की आइडियोलॉजीज होती है ना, ये बिल्कुल वैसा ही है ना? सबको लग रहा है कि हम हमारी जगह सही है और जो लोग हैं भी कुछ हद तक सही है. इन नो वे एम आई क्या बोलते हैं सेइंग की जो वो ग्रुप पे बातें हो रही थी लड़कों में वो जायज थी, बिल्कुल नहीं थी, बहुत घटिया थी. लेकिन तुम उसको लेकर ऐसी लड़कियां जो सिंपैथी लेती है, जो लोग खुद आज यू नो इन द स्क्रीन जिनके खुद के ऐसे ख्यालात हो. So then you are not credible to use that as a weapon against them.
Opposite. Yeah, right.
Whereas you are doing the same, maybe even worse वाला गंदा बात with someone else, which means कि तुम्हारे ब्रेन में है वो कैपेसिटी तो तुम लोग झेलो. अब क्यों प्रॉब्लम हो रही है?
Right.
और किस लड़की में ये ऑडेसिटी है? इमेजिन कर अगर कोई लड़का ये कहता कि नहीं मैं ये लड़की की अग्नि परीक्षा ले रहा था.
तो हो गया बेटा. बोल है तुझे. मैं
यही बोल रहा हूँ ना, एनी सिचुएशन जिसमें तुम जेंडर्स को इंटरचेंज करके देखोगे ना सिचुएशन में, कि अगर लड़की की जगह लड़का होता और लड़के की जगह लड़की होती, है ना, तो सोसाइटी का क्या कितना डिफरेंस इन रिएक्शन होता हर चीज में.
मल्टीपल केसेस
जैसे कि आई टेल यू अबाउट द केस मानव सिंह करके, देयर इज दिस गाय ओके फ्रॉम दिल्ली, एंड he was accused of rape by some girl online through stories. जिसमें उसने ऐसा दावा किया कि 2 साल पहले इसने मेरे साथ ये गंदी हरकत की. The boy committed suicide out of guilt. Guilt मतलब उसने कुछ किया भी नहीं था. Because of all the pressure that was coming onto him, the boy committed suicide because of that.
Oh fuck.
Okay, and the girl has to say, and जिस एज में ही कमिटेड सुसाइड, दैट इज नाउ, अभी कुछ हफ्तों पहले, ही वाज 17 ईयर ओल्ड. लड़की कह रही है 2 साल पहले उसने 15 साल की उम्र में. यू थिंक यू विल हैव द प्रैक्टिकल क्या बोलते हैं कॉन्शियसनेस टू इवन ट्राई समथिंग लाइक दैट?
व्हाट? दैट्स
एग्जैक्टली,
दैट्स फकिंग इनसेन. आई कांट इवन बिलीव इट.
सुसाइड के बाद the girl had the audacity to post stories which said कि if he could not handle pressure, that's his problem, that's his fault.
Right.
He had, exactly. अभी लड़की ने सुसाइड किया होता तो लड़के के पीछे नहीं दौड़े होते सब तलवार चाकू लेके.
सवाल
नहीं नहीं लिखे होते
तो
बड़े बड़े
there was one
आर्टिकल
guy
उन्होंने।
Pancholi, you remember that guy Pancholi? उसके पीछे कितना भागे थे जब उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड ने सुसाइड किया था, वो अपना हाउसफुल 3 में आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू का सॉन्ग था उसका, जिया खान, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हर. So
राइट
her
ओके
boyfriend, her boyfriend, yes. तो उसको तो पकड़ के धर के लेके गए थे. Like अरे बहुत
इट
ही like I can't do rape jokes. If I do rape jokes, then तू गंदा है. Why? Just take it.
एग्जैक्टली द पॉइंट यू नो you all can talk about और you know दो तीन इनके ऐसे टर्म्स है जो फेमिनिस्ट को यू नो अननेसेसरीली आवा डालना घुसाना बहुत पसंद है.
Right.
एक तो पेट्रियार्की
हाँ.
and yeah and what was that one man the other one
Patriarchy.
oh male privilege yes
Male privilege. Okay. Okay. Game हमने ही बनाया ना
17
पूरा.
साल का बच्चा सुसाइड करके या 17 साल का बच्चा सुसाइड करके मर गया and they have the audacity to talk about male privilege.
Right. Do you think there is male privilege?
Yeah.
There is.
No, not at all, dude.
Okay.
Male privilege in what sense are you talking about?
Right. I'm
Post
talking
depends.
about in sense of like in sense of jobs, in sense of like in performing a comedy or like अगर मैं देखो I will give you an example. If a female comic is performing and if a male comic is performing, audience would react differently for male and for female. Do you agree with this? Or you won't agree with this?
No, see, I'll tell you why. मैं कुछ comedy produce कर रहा हूँ.
Okay.
I made sure कि you know, you're from the scene,
Yeah,
so you
yeah,
know कि
yeah,
कितने
yeah.
female comics actually काम करते हैं, actually
Right.
active है scene में.
Right.
और ऐसा नहीं है कि एक आध open mic में आते just say something
Right.
and then they,
Right.
then you know we are consistent people.
Yeah.
Anamika and all. Anamika is damn
Yeah.
funny, dude. Like I'll never see it in a way wherein you know ये लड़की है ये funny नहीं है. No, not at all, dude. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. This is a misconception कि girls अभी तुम किसी के टैलेंट की कमी को जेंडर के नाम से छुपा नहीं सकते हो ना बॉस.
Right. 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 Right.
दैट इज द थिंग है ना. और ऐसा भी नहीं है ना कि कोई भी लड़का आके कुछ भी बोल रहा है और उसको तालियां मिल रही है.
नहीं,
नॉट लाइक
बिल्कुल
दैट.
भी नहीं.
यू बीन टू ओपन माउथ यू नो हाउ फेयर इट इज.
Yeah. Okay. That's
यू आर
one of the
एक्सप्लेनिंग नो मैटर हु यू आर.
right.
या इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द जेंडर यू आर. तूने देखा है कैसे कैसे लोग आते हैं.
Right. Yeah.
तो इसमें जेंडर का सवाल ही नहीं उठता. मेल कॉमिक फीमेल कॉमिक का देयर इज नो. दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ आर्ट यू नो कि
Yeah.
देयर इज नो बैरियर ऑफ जेंडर. यहाँ पे तुमको जेंडर के हिसाब से कोई जज नहीं करेगा.
नहीं कर रहा है. हाँ. Like right.
तुम
right.
क्या बोल रहे हो. योर थॉट प्रोसेस द वे यू आर पुटिंग फॉर्थ योर थॉट्स एंड एवरीथिंग मैटर्स द मोस्ट.
Yeah. Maybe in
यहाँ पे तो
jobs.
सेइंग कि फीमेल कॉमिक.
Yeah. Yeah. What you're saying.
नहीं यही कि यू नो फीमेल कॉमिक्स को ऐसे जनरलाइज करना कि दे आर नॉट गेटिंग इनफ वर्क और इनफ. सी यू नो द इंडस्ट्री. नो वन इज गेटिंग इनफ वर्क.
Yeah. Right.
मेल कॉमिक्स और फीमेल कॉमिक्स
Right.
है
Yeah.
ना.
Right.
मैं खुद यहाँ उतर. ओके मेरे को लाचारी नहीं दिखानी यहाँ पे.
Yeah. I'm getting your point.
तो दैट्स माय पॉइंट. सबके लगे हुए हैं ना ऑलरेडी. तो उसमें फिर दिस अननेसेसरी डिवीजन व्हेन वी नो कि टैलेंटेड कॉमिक्स भी है. फीमेल कॉमिक्स भी काफी है. यू नो देम पर्सनली. आई नो देम
Yeah.
पर्सनली. है ना.
Yeah.
So putting this forth is a bit unreasonable is what I think.
Right. But we were talking about the male privilege. So
Right.
like on like expanding on that point, like घर से बाहर निकलना, like parents का pressure. अभी like काफी parents sexist होता है. If you have a sister, you will know कि they have to learn रसोई वाला काम. They won't tell you
Right.
most of the time. So that kind of I'm talking about. कि yeah, there is in India there is. Maybe
Yeah,
in other
तुमको
countries I
अगर
don't know
बताओ
because I don't stay there.
हम्म.
So there is
Right.
there are few sectors where there is there are few problems, and even in jobs, like now there is a maternal leave. You can take an 6 months off after your delivery and all. But before that,
Right.
even we don't know the execution. How good is it?
Now
Is
we
it that good?
totally I'll extend an olive branch to you. even now it is only in corporate companies that can afford something like that.
Right. You know
Maternity
what's
and all.
government
And
doing
I,
it.
yeah, which is why I would totally agree to it. I understand,
Yeah.
the point where corporate and all, mein, I understand that there shouldn't be a difference in pay because they are doing the same kind of work.
Right.
Now, in other sectors, okay, where the money is driven in by the performance of this person.
Okay.
Okay, now suppose cricket. Okay, let's take cricket as an example.
Yeah,
Okay,
we can take
the
that.
women's
Good
team and the
example.
men's
Yeah.
team, they are getting
Yeah.
paid differently.
Right.
Now the women are strong and empowered enough to क्या बोलते हैं कन्वे टू इट टू बीसीसीआई कि यार हमको नहीं परवड़ रहा है इतने में क्यों नहीं कर रहे ऐसा and I think even one I don't remember her name but one of the female cricketers even spoke up about this saying supporting this norm saying कि it is obvious that we will get paid less because men's cricket is bringing in more business
Right.
which is why they get paid more
Right.
compared to female. You know how new the women's scene is in cricket and everywhere. जैसे तुमने फीमेल कॉमिक्स का एग्जांपल दिया यही केस सब जगह और यही सब जगह हो रहा है
Right.
that is the business. So if the women's team is getting in less business or something like that है ना so it is obviously you cannot expect that high of a pay जहाँ पे एक मैच में बीसीसीआई 100 करोड़ से ज्यादा का बिजनेस कर रहा है एंड यहाँ पे there is उसका आधा भी नहीं
Right. समझ रहा
है and the women agree to it but again I would again like to as I said ये सब जगह नहीं होता this difference is
still there वो sector to sector differ करेगा right
ये चीज सब जगह अप्लाई नहीं होती है is my point
हाँ
जो कि गलत है कुछ हद तक which is why I agree कि women should be paid more or if not paid more then at least be given more of opportunities to get a promotion so that she can at least growth through she can get a good pay or whatever.
Right.
There's
a good set of Wilbur on this on feminism. Have you listened to that ever? That there's I'll tell you this bit. He says in Titanic when the ship broke or when in this आपातकालीन स्थिति में कुछ हो जाएगा, so we say that बीवी बच्चों को पहले बाहर निकालो. That's why $1 पे $50 एक्स्ट्रा देते हम लोग कि मैं उधर रहे. So that was his bit कि very dark and उसको काफी ऑफेंड हुए थे काफी ब्लॉगर्स इसके बाद और feminists तो you know how they react just by writing.
Oh God.
So when did you start this music?
Okay, the music.
Okay, yeah.
That is like an entire क्या बोलते हैं it has nothing to do with everything that I'm doing right now. Music has been since a very long time in my own family. My dad used to be a vocalist himself.
Okay.
But because of non-availability of resources back then, he was from a Bengali intellectual family who basically wanted him to get into engineering and all.
Oh.
So he eventually ended up doing engineering, civil engineering.
Even I am a civil engineer.
But I was, सही है. Welcome to my podcast.
Fuck Indian parents.
Fuck मेरे को कोरोना हो गया.
ले 6 लोग भाग जाएगा बोलेगा नहीं चाहिए.
So Indian parents, but then he never really had a problem with that. It seemed. I mean, मुझे कभी बताया नहीं. So I would still see him perform at places and all. He would like Bengalis are like my dad was a Bengali. So Bengalis में Durga Puja and all, this happens a lot. Durga Puja में performance वगैरह बहुत होते थे. So he would perform there every year. And slowly I started in. Yeah. But then I would never really think of, what I'm going to do with this. Because there was always this bridge, कि I knew that there was another way. सिर्फ Indian Idol के through नहीं होता.
Okay. Okay.
उसी के through होता तो, दुनिया कुछ और होती. So which is why I knew कि, it is always better कि we looked for some other way, which is when YouTube and all was just starting to come up. Kenny Sebastian
Right.
and these people, they had about 3,000 subscribers back then.
Oh, okay.
है ना?
So
YouTube
it
में,
was that
YouTube
new.
में,
Yeah.
BB की वाइन्स के बाद YouTube really got that, spike in India
India.
for creators and all. है ना?
Right.
So I never really saw it in that way. Even when I moved to Pune for the first 6 months, I was totally, क्या बोलते हैं? I did not know that there was a gig scene or something. There is a big business that involves musicians like me,
Oh, yeah.
So I went to High Fields for the first time, and that's when I was like, oh my god, this is my thing, because even in school, if anyone from the school is watching, they'd know, back in school also, I would love music. I would always do something related to music. Har month there would be something, some day or something. There would be an event where I would do some sort of a thing, something related to music.
Right.
So that's how I knew that this is going to stay, this is like a part of me. So this is not just a hobby that will be there and then fade away.
Right.
10th standards, I did really well. Okay, so my parents decided to send me for engineering.
Okay. So you were also an engineer.
Half of,
Fuck.
तो मैं पुणे इंजीनियरिंग करने आया था actually.
अरे रे.
तो आधा 11वीं हो गया, उसके बाद कैलकुलस शुरू हुआ, आज मैंने रियलाइज किया इंजीनियरिंग होने नहीं वाला.
Oh fuck. Not that smart, motherfucker.
Oh god. Tuition classes and all were paid already.
Okay.
है ना, महंगे वाले.
Right.
So I did not really have the option to tell my mama ki he is the one who's taking care of me, like
Okay.
back then.
Yeah.
My mama. So I did not have the audacity to tell him कि यार नहीं engineering नहीं करना after he's paid this amount of money.
Shit.
है ना? So somehow I got through it, but then once 12th and all was over, मैंने कहा CET JEE की एग्जाम के लिए नहीं जाऊंगा तो क्या होगा?
Oh my.
कौन सी इंजीनियरिंग कॉन्सेप्ट? तो कैसे तो भी I knew they'd be damn pissed, but then I was like, this is it. This is the time I need to make a choice,
So after
And that was the time I had already. Yeah, so after 12th, I never really did engineering. I went into filmmaking eventually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So when was the first time you uploaded a YouTube video? What?
See, this is like a very complicated story. So I moved here in 11th grade, as I told you, and I used to live in a hostel sort of a thing.
Okay.
And so तभी मैंने एक छोटा सा YouTube channel बनाया था, which was doing pretty well. Okay, like I did not have a lot of means. phone पे जितना होता था मुझसे, that's all I would do.
Right.
Okay, जितना phones, but of course उसका quality was very bad. 480p से video तो होता ही नहीं था वो इंसान, है ना? So yeah, that's what I had uploaded about 6 videos, 6 very immature videos. मैं अभी देखूं, I thought मेरे पास है भी नहीं, मैं delete कर दिया वो. They were that
वो channel नहीं
stupid,
है, कोई और channel बोल रहा था.
नहीं, so this was the same channel.
Okay.
So now there was this guy in my college called Abdul. Okay, 11th grade, maybe Abdul सब मादा चोर होते हैं. So and he was supposed to be like a computer genius sort of a thing. So I wanted to get my YouTube channel monetized. It was that easy back then. My channel was already monetized at about 300 subscribers.
What?
It was that easy. Yes.
Okay.
This is 2017 में जब वो नए गाइडलाइंस आए थे ना, उससे पहले का बात.
Fuck man, मेरा हो नहीं रहा.
उसके बाद से I tell you ना, so I had given him my YouTube का access. Like मेरे को तेरा पासवर्ड वगैरह दे. Okay. उसने करके दिया मेरे को सर. Okay, I had put out videos also. 6-7 videos हो गए. उसके बाद मेरा उसका झगड़ा हो गया, so he went home and he deleted all my videos.
My God, that must be
yeah, dude,
अलग ही झगड़ा होता है ऐसा. वीडियो डिलीट करना गलत है. कितना मेहनत जाता है यार.
मतलब तू कमेंट कर इंस्टाग्राम पे, गाली दे मेरे को, कॉल मी आउट पब्लिकली, तो यूट्यूब वीडियो क्यों डिलीट कर दिया यार? मार मैं तो नहीं. तो वही मैं आधा वो डिप्रेशन में था. बट देन आई फिगर्ड कि अभी इतना जल्दी हो गया मोनेटाइज, तो आगे जाके कर लेगी. और उसी साल 2017 में जान दें YouTube की नई गाइडलाइंस आई.
फक हो गया ना पूरा. 4,000
और मेरा
होता ही नहीं है.
नहीं, तभी जरूरत ही नहीं थी, तभी all you needed were 1,000 subscribers, that's it.
fucking
तभी बहुत टाइम तक यही नहीं था, there was no yeah, that's what.
right.
हम गवाह है इस बात के। oh yeah, मोहम्मद गडियाली, he is from my 11 12 का कॉलेज। चोकसी, चोकसी सुना है क्या?
नहीं
SM चोकसी।
नहीं नहीं so
हमें नाम इतना डबल।
पूरा तू खुद प्रोड्यूस करता है या फिर देयर इज अ गाय हु एडिट्स फॉर यू और यू डू इट ऑन योर ओन एंड व्हाट डू यू
So
यूज
now,
डूइंग इट
so now that this happened, I was like, अभी 12th हो जाने दो एक बार, let's get done with
हाँ
this
हाँ
headache.
हाँ
उसके बाद start anew.
हाँ
So once my 12th got over, I got into college, तो मैं धीरे धीरे करके अभी I started. It is the same channel because I wanted to maintain the subscribers. तभी I had left off at about 300 400 subscribers.
ओके
Okay. So then I started putting out content इस पे YouTube पे.
हाँ
Again with phone and all, small things.
right
Difference being 11th grade के end में I started getting gigs already.
okay
Okay, तो तब से I was also supported by my mama's family. Not a lot, but जरूरत का सब जो था वो था.
था
है ना? So like there was no excessive खर्चा or anything, and I was living in a hostel जिसका end time 10 o'clock था. It was that sort of a place.
okay
है ना?
हाँ, बहुत
So then
अच्छा
I got an audio interface and all because मेरे को quality वगैरह बढ़ाना था music का. So condenser microphone and of course I had to buy a guitar. I used to rent a guitar, I remember. First year तक in fact मैं guitar rent करता था for gigs because I did not have my own guitar.
so this
So yeah,
everything
my
you're doing on your own, you're buying it on your own,
yeah
कोई
gig buy.
help नहीं
So after 12 got over, नहीं I was like क्या काय को मारने, फिर वापस
right
सामने से और सुनने मिला तेरा help किया
हाँ
हमने.
ऐसा क्या वैसा क्या right right getting your point
So yeah, that's good. And so yeah, that's when I started putting out content with the new audio and all. So
yeah
that was doing pretty well. अभी तो हर वीडियो के I think पिछले जो है सबके 1,000 views तो cross हो गए. It's not a lot,
yeah
but
yeah
it's okay.
but it feels
It's
good
honest hard work.
you're hitting 4-digit numbers
Yeah.
so okay
Yeah, exactly.
ठीक है कुछ तो सही कर रहा हूँ
So
right
that's what. So, but then again, see, misconception कहता है ना amongst youngsters for YouTube. YouTube is not a source of income, not at all.
no it's not
तो अगर तुम ये सोच रहे हो कि मैं सिर्फ YouTube पे कंटेंट डालूंगा, लोग
Right.
सब्सक्राइब करेंगे
right
और मुझे हर महीना इतना, ऐसा नहीं होता है,
right
Especially for like genuine content creators,
Right.
तुम प्रैंक वीडियोस वगैरह बना रहे हो तो भी उसको थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. हमको तो भाई जमाना बीत जाता है तब जाके भी रीच सब में.
right
When it is a very nominal talent like music or something like that.
but I think
है
कि
ना?
if you
So-
produce very high level content like in studio and all you would get good
Right,
views
right.
like 30,000 40,000 just to अपना production ठीक कर लेगा तो I think you will get there right do you think that
Maybe, I see that is what my goal is,
हाँ okay
I feel I try to improve something that I've done previously, or I try to do something
hmm
to
hello
make things work.
right
To make things work. And that's what, like, that is basically my production. Now that, the channel is doing well and all, I moved to my own place and all.
right.
I had Raghav with me, my roommate,
okay
and he was the one
yeah I met him
who
once
was
in open mic
helping me.
yeah
Right, yeah. So he was the one who's helping me with all the videos and all.
okay so in the editing process right
Editing mostly तो मैं करता हूँ, but
okay
when it's DSLR and all,
Yeah,
it gets a bit complicated. So
Yeah.
I have
so the
like
technical
Raghav
stuff
do
he's
it.
handling okay right got it
Yeah, mostly. Right. बाकी music production तो पूरा मेरा होता है.
right in
Crash
this
पे
music
लेकर.
production all सब चल रहा है like you are making good like gigs
हाँ,
मिल रहे हैं
हाँ.
all इसमें production कब से like comedy producer कहाँ आता है ऋतिक कब बन जाता है
Sorry? Last में क्या
ऋतिक
बोला?
कि ऋतिक कॉमेडी प्रोड्यूसर कब बन जाता है ये म्यूजिक का सीन चल रहा है गिग्स मिल रहे हैं ऑल लाइक
Right. So now Right. So I went to Bharat Agarwal's open mic, Orange Octopus
Okay.
at Unwind. Okay, and that's where I met Saurabh Tripathi for the first time.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's how we became friends.
Hmm.
And I figured that there are not a lot of platforms as such in Pune, for open mics.
Hmm.
Back then, this is 2016.
Hmm.
Yeah, 2016 का बात होगा ये 4 साल पहले का.
Right.
So yeah, I already had this idea कि ऐसा कुछ करना है. I did not know कि how to approach something
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
Because Orange Octopus and all, they did it very professionally. उनके पास अच्छे contacts होते. They had all sorts of contacts and
Hmm.
बहुत सारे artists और good artists already वहाँ पे open mic करके जा चुके
Right. Right. Right.
हैं ना. So that's what कि I always had that thing कि कुछ करना है.
Right. Like
So पहले
if
तो I started
yeah. Yeah.
as a production house sort of a thing. So we had put out a web series back then called City with a Spoon.
Oh.
And if you still go and check
If you still
Okay.
go and look for Oblivion का YouTube channel, no,
Okay.
you will find out about the web series that I'm talking about. It's called City with a Spoon. It is supposed to be क्या बोलते हैं food cum travel show based in Pune.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
है ना? So we had like about 12 episodes based in different areas in Pune, where we explored, where we moved around with the whole production crew, पूरा script writers था हमारे.
सब मतलब सब
So that's that sort of content.
right. And then after that
So-
you started producing.
Right. So after we got into that, I was waiting for the right time to start open mics.
Okay.
I did not know how to do it, so I went to Bharat's open mics a lot. He helped me out a lot, उसने बहुत he guided me a lot through this, how to start this, how to approach venues and all.
Right.
So then we got into Boca and we just started doing our thing,
Right.
And
So-
yeah,
There is a question I want to ask you about producing. What personality traits, skills, and education do you think all event planners must have?
I don't know, man, but the most important one I feel is patience, dude, because
Okay.
you have तुमको पता नहीं तुम कैसे कैसे लोगों से interact करने वाले हो और deal करने वाले हो,
Right.
all sort of weird people, they'll come into an open mic. Like you have to be mentally prepared for that कि कुछ भी हो सकता है, कोई भी आके कुछ भी बोल सकता है तुझको,
हाँ.
and you'll have to handle it that way.
Right.
So maybe patience, and there were times when I lost it myself.
Oh, so tell me that. Tell me that experience.
This is अपना social, SE social, you
Okay.
remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what कि and बाकी qualification wise there is nothing else required, man. You just need to use your brain properly.
उस दिन का बात है जहाँ पे मैं परफॉर्म किया था या कोई और FC वाला ओपन माइक है ये?
You and I think who was that guy? Yeah. Anna, so I think तुमने उन लोगों के साथ you had opened like in the beginning only you had done a set and you had left.
Yeah. I was the first one to go, and I bombed.
Right. So end में some people could not perform
Okay.
because time constraint.
Time constraint. Okay.
So it all came on to me. I had to give them a refund and all.
Oh,
And
okay.
like people were pretty sweet. There was this one chick. Fuck it, man. Like
Okay.
I'm like, man, I did everything for you that I could. है ना, बाकी अभी आपको देखो, whatever you have to do.
Right.
You want to take it up legally, please go ahead.
Right.
मैं और क्या ही
Sometimes
करता
it's
यार.
tough. Yeah. Right.
So yeah, that's what. So open mics, so I've had an amazing time, man. Every open mic, no matter irrespective of the number of people who joined it,
Right.
and then we started with secret sessions, this other thing with poetry
Yeah.
and all.
Yeah. I've seen that.
I made Saurabh Tripathi run that thing for a while.
Okay.
And that's what in fact, we used to have it at my place only.
Okay.
I would love that.
Like
Yeah, that
where
was
you sitting? Yeah.
no,
okay.
like outside, like I'm in my bedroom.
I've seen stories and all. Yeah. I remember. I've seen live
I have a
sessions on
small
Instagram.
stage sort of thing.
Yeah.
There is another question for you. What is your game plan for managing event budgets?
Even budget, see, one advantage that I'll tell you in producing open mics is minimum investment है इसमें. Unless you're putting it up on Book My Show and expecting something big out of it, there is not a lot of investment to make because तुम venue को कुछ दे नहीं रहे हो, you're sharing. So that is what it is more important, you know. तुम venue के साथ किस टाइप का deal कर रहे हो.
Okay.
If you're giving them a rent, then maybe you're facing a loss later on.
Okay.
If you're splitting profits, then maybe you won't face a loss.
Okay.
So that's what you should know how to work with people, you know. Business is about people at the end of the day.
Right.
If the budget gets out of your hand, like हाथ से बाहर हो जाए, तो कैसे मैनेज करेगा उसको?
I don't know, see, because there is no other income as of now for Oblivion.
Okay.
Except for open mics, you know. So isme, because I am earning enough money and all through music, I pitch in money and I put it into the Oblivion account. You know,
Okay.
because that is the only way you can recover, no, when you have only that one source of income.
Right.
जो already minus में है, तो उसको plus करने के लिए you have to put in your own resources.
Right.
तो उसका like ज़्यादा ज़रूरत तो पड़ता नहीं है. It never really happens that way. You know, thanks to the kind of business me and my team has been doing, Raghav and everyone.
Okay.
Because weekends pe we put the open mic and weekends pe I have my own gigs. So mostly you must have noticed that I don't really attend so yeah, that's what these people have helped me out a lot.
So, bro, this is going to be my last question to you. After that, we are going to end this live. What do you do when you feel stressed out during the event planning process?
I have weed, dude.
Do you see weed getting legalized in the next incoming decade also?
देख ऐसी चीजों में ना कुछ बड़ा होना चाहिए, you know, कि weed के लिए कोई अंदर चले जाए.
Okay, क्रांतिकारी मांगते हैं.
I'll tell you what, okay. If you see Bollywood या OTT जो भी है इंडिया में फिलहाल जहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है, जहाँ पे कंटेंट बन रहा है इतने बड़े लेवल पे, Netflix, Prime, Hotstar, all these platforms for television, for अपना movies, be it anything, okay. To speak over something and get your word out to the general public for it to be a considerable problem for them, this is one of the ways. और तू मुझे बता how like कितना content है इंडिया में that has a message behind it that supports the use of these narcotics. And when we know that, when we have some data already to look at and we know कि you know there is something, कुछ तो अच्छा है इसमें कि you know there has to be some sort of an application for some proper application for this, a medical purpose for this, you know. So that's what. But then इसमें ना ऐसा कुछ होगा क्योंकि देख, I'll tell you, every time something happened, people made a movie out of it. That's the beauty of Indian content creators. They are fierce. They are fierce. They are fearless. Like उनको डरते नहीं है वो लोग ज़्यादा. सोचते नहीं है इसका consequence क्या होगा. जो उनको सही लगता है, उनकी perspective उनको जो लगते हैं. And Britishers के time से, since the British period, you know, when people started making movies against the British rule and all, the filmmakers were put into prison, the writers were put into prison, you know. So if we have more content, people will start knowing, which will indirectly put a pressure on the government.
Right.
And so it is up to us, writers, content creators, influencers, to let people know the right thing. ऐसा भी नहीं कि नहीं गांजा फूको करके. No, not at all. You have to back your thing up with facts. And we know, you know, जैसे US वाले छूती नहीं है ना to legalize it again.
वही, वो सबसे डेवलप्ड कंट्री है.
Exactly. And if they have done it, तुम मेरे को बताओ ना, अभी तू किसी डॉक्टर के पास अच्छे से ट्रीट करवाएगा खुद को जो तेरे को बोल रहा है मैं तेरे को हफ्ते में एक जॉइंट दूंगा, या तू पेडलर के पास जाएगा?
जस्टिफाइड
है ना. अगर तेरे पास डॉक्टर वाला ऑप्शन मिल रहा है, लीगल वाला ऑप्शन मिल रहा है, तो क्यों नहीं लेगा?
राइट.
दैट इज द पॉइंट. और उससे ये पेडलर लोगों का धंधा बंद हो जाएगा. द गैंग्स दैट वी आर इनडायरेक्टली फंडिंग, वो नहीं होगा.
राइट.
कितना सारा स्टडीज भी है कि सेक्स रैकेट को पैसा जाता है.
Right. So once we start making content like this, तो किसी को नड़ेगा ये बात. जैसे हमेशा नड़ता है बिकॉज ये इंडिया है.
राइट.
अनुराग कश्यप मूवी बनाएगा तो उसको पूरे पब्लिक को नड़ेगा फॉर सम रीजन.
राइट
बॉम्बे वेलवेट का नाम बॉम्बे वेलवेट रखा, मुंबई वेलवेट नहीं रखा तो गांड जलेगा मुंबई। बोले
हाँ
बॉम्बे बुला रहे तो दिस इज ऑफेंसिव।
ये फालतू चीज पे ऑफेंस लेते हैं पब्लिक। मुंबई बॉम्बे
तो
क्या
अभी
है?
किसी ने गांजे पे ऐसा कुछ बना दिया ना जो सच है, लेकिन जो
There's a movie called Ching and Chong. Have you seen that? वो
Ching
पूरा
and
गांजे
Chong?
पे बना हो। या तो वो दो लोग रहते
देखना
हैं
पड़ेगा यार, मेरे को
गांजे।
ये सब नाम भेजा कर यार तुम्हें कोई मूवीज के यार।
अबे भाई मैं तेरे को बता रहा हूँ, इसमें एक प्रॉपर ये रहता है, एक सीन है जिसमें कि वो लोग ऐसा गाड़ी चला रहे हैं एंड वो इतना बड़ा जॉइंट निकालता है, इतना बड़ा, एंड वो फूकता है हमें और बोलता है मैं हाई नहीं होता है, ऐसे नहीं होता है, मैं मेरा जॉइंट निकालना पड़ेगा। तो वो इतना बड़ा जॉइंट निकालता है उसको दिखाने के लिए दोस्त को कि मेरे को इससे कुछ नहीं होता है। एंड देन ड्राइविंग कर रहा रहता है और वो उसको बोलता है कि भाई तू इतना फास्ट क्यों चला रहा है।
Right.
वो लोग दो रास्ते के स्पीड ब्रेकर, वो रास्ते के डिवाइडर में गाड़ी
यार
जा रहा है ब्रो। अबे बहुत फनी है, बहुत। वो मूवी लाइक मैं भेजूंगा तेरे को लिंक, नेटफ्लिक्स पे होगा
right.
सो फकिंग अलग है। लाइक साइकेडेलिक्स भी तो एक सीन है ना कि लाइक दे
अरे है यार,
गेट पर्सपेक्टिव टू यू।
अरे these things are very powerful and these things have a very deep meaning. So बच्चों को सिर्फ मजा आता है करके नशे करते हैं, उसका वो एप्लीकेशन है ही नहीं एक्चुअली।
राइट
यू नो साइकेडेलिक्स एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, तुम इसको मेडिटेशन वगैरह के लिए यूज करोगे ना, इतना फायदेमंद है ना ये सब चीजें। ऑल दीज डीप थिंग्स वेयर यू कैन सिट एंड थिंक,
राइट
where you can let your neurons and the THC to do the things, you know,
Right.
the way they are supposed to be done. In fact, for me, it is so personal that I don't even see myself smoking up with, you know, just strangers or unknown people or random people. You know, it is like, it takes you into that other zone. And I don't want that zone to be disrupted by unknown people or people
like
I would be uncomfortable opening up in front of.
right.
You know,
I'm getting it. Yeah.
so that's, and again, you know, if you do something like this, imagine the reduction in sales of alcohol, the sales of cigarettes. You know, when people have a legal way to get marijuana, है ना? When you know these things are harmful, मैं तो खुद बोल रहा हूँ, alcohol is one of the worst things, man.
Yeah.
You know, so like even though I have it,
Okay.
but it is one of the worst things, you know. So I have weed as well, but वो मैं दिखाऊंगा नहीं for legal purposes.
No, you can't. अरे मेरे को नहीं लगता कि कोई पकड़ने ही वाला है. Like,
Yeah.
do you know Ripu Daman? That he also performs. Okay, so he took a shot, bomb shot, once on the podcast. So चलता है bro, कोई सीन नहीं. Like legalize
करना था ना यार, मेरे को बता दो ना, मैं मार्बल साफ करके रखता था, अभी यहाँ पे लिया होता था.
Welcome, boys and girls.